This is a quick overview of my wing mount mod that I put on my siren. As you can see in my previous video that I broke the wing mount off of that car at the end of the video. That was the third stock wing mount that I broke that day. So I decided to go in and mod my own. It closely follows the T-Bone Racing wing mount, except that it's made out of a much more pliable material, the bumper off my car that somebody decided to play bumper cars with my rear bumper and wrecked it. So I replaced that, and it left me with a great deal of material to work with. So I've been making bumpers for most of my Arrma cars out of it. It looks pretty hideous, but it definitely works. And I've tried every other wing mount available for this series. The RPM, the T-Bone Racing, the HD wing mount obviously sucks, as well as the Hot Racing aluminum wing mount. That one works pretty good, but it can rip out the diff bulkhead, which I've done on the Outcast twice. And while this one follows the T-Bone Racing version, the material is much more pliable. It has a whole lot of give, but it's still pretty solid because I've doubled up the sides on the end, and these tabs bolt directly into the shock mounts, and it still has the tabs on the bottom that bolts right into the bulkhead and the chassis brace. And since it does have give where it needs it, it's not going to rip out any bulkheads or bend the wing mount. Bend the aluminum chassis brace or the shock mount like the steel or aluminum wing mount will, because it'll bend both of those. Even the Hot Racing chassis brace it'll bend that too. That pretty much covers it. I'll go in and bolt this back to the steering and see how many videos I can get out of it later.